Okay, so we've just driven about half an hour from where we were to some more outdoor shops, and it's so cute. There's like a little stream or like a river and like a little waterfall. We're at Cunningham's at the moment, and they've got lots of different outdoor brands because I think Joe wants to get a little underlayer, mid-layer. I've just had some dinner. Joe wasn't hungry. My bun's like in the way. I'm just so exhausted. We had to put the awning back on the van and I just got so stressed out. Anyway, I had some food because I was really hungry. We haven't had lunch and it's 7 p.m, so I've had lunch and dinner because I'm so hungry. And I think I'm gonna get an early night tonight. I've got my day bag here, my new one, and I'm going to pack it. And I thought, why don't you guys pack it with me? Because we were gonna do Snowdon this morning, but we're gonna go do it tomorrow because we got up really late this morning, like 9-10 o'clock. So tomorrow I'd like to get up at 7 and leave by 8. I'm gonna put the snacks in this bit. I think we have 2 Trek bars. I've got dairy-free dark chocolate, and Joe's got like a knockoff Twix. So we have a pair each, a packet of crisps each. All right, I'm gonna head off now. I'm gonna chill. I'm gonna have an early night. I think I need some sleep. And I'll see you guys in the morning. Bye. Good morning. It is the next day. The weather is so much better this morning than it was yesterday. We did wake up like an hour later than we wanted to, maybe an hour and a bit. But we're still gonna head off to Snowdon and hike it, which is exciting. Okay, we've stopped off at Cowshed, Wales. It's on the way to Snowdon. We are running really late today. I was hoping to be like at Snowdon at 8 or like 7:30. It's nearly 11 o'clock. But we've stopped, got some pasties. They were £15 for 2. I did get a raspberry lemonade as well. But £15 for 2, like, I mean they're a good size, but a lot of money. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna munch on this now. Okay, so we've made it to the car park of Rhyd Ddu, like the base of the path. I'm gonna sit here, finish my drink, just to try and get some energy and sugar into me. I'm so exhausted. I don't know why. It looks very cloudy. So I think the top of Snowdon, the summit, is gonna be very cloudy. I'm excited. I'm gonna put my boots on because I'm wearing sliders. Yeah. I didn't even check if there's bugs inside here. I wore these the first time I ever hiked Snowdon. I don't know, I've not done this path before. We're starting our hike I'm so excited. Got my backpack on, boots are on. I don't think I'm ready to climb a mountain. Just over 10 minutes in and the jacket has already come off. Okay, we're about 45 minutes into our hike. I would like some water, please. I think we've still got like at least 2 more hours to go. It's quite hard, it's quite steep, it's a lot of stairs, but the view is very nice. Okay, so I think we've got maybe under an hour left. I think we might have just smashed this hike. But I think the summit might be up there. There's people walking like all along this ridge. But yeah, I don't think that's it. It is hard though. I'm finding it very hard. But it's absolutely beautiful. This is also Joe's first time hiking Snowdon. Joe, how are you finding it?
Yeah, it's right.
It's alright. Hard, easy, medium? Medium. About to walk into that massive cloud. Hopefully it clears over by the time we get to the summit. The summit, baby. Oh yeah. I'm very ready to reach the top. We've still got quite a few steps to go, but we've been so lucky with the weather. It's been so clear and the clouds have been like, clouds have just cleared up. Summit. Joe has touched the summit of Snowdon for the first time ever. I feel like a little proud wifey, but it was really cool. I'm hoping we can go to the cafe now and grab a hot drink.
Hiya.
Hi. Do you guys have oat milk?
Yeah, we could do it in an Americano or a premium tea.
Okay, can I have an Americano then with oat milk?
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you. It's snack time. Hair. And we have a really nice view too. Wow! Come to a gift shop and it's actually so bad. Alrighty everyone. We have, oh god, oh my god. Okay, we've made it to the that's me falling, by the way, Joe's sound. We made it to the summit. We stopped here and had a little coffee and our snacks. I'm trying to get down whilst filming it, it's very hard. Snacks. And then we enjoyed the view, because this is just crazy. And Joe's up. What the fuck was that? That was a pig. Anyway, we're on our way back down now. I didn't film much because there were so many people and I don't like people. So so close to the bottom now. Look at all these sheep. Hi sheep. My knees are hurting so much. We started our descent like over an hour ago, I think. So, and this has been downhill the whole time. We're pretty flat now, but it's still got a bit of a, was it a decline? Yeah. The view's still stunning though. Guys, I think this is the final gate we have to open and walk through. Woo! We made it. We're not quite at the car yet, but we are in the car park. Well, nearly at the car park. But yeah, thank you so much for coming along. I'm gonna end the vlog here because we're just traveling home tomorrow, so it's gonna be the same. But yeah, thank you for watching. If you did watch this far, I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.